Hello guys, welcome to Dee-wise Crafts channel. Today I'll be sharing a step-by-step tutorial on how to tie a bridal round gele. So first thing first, we need our gele. This is our gele, and we also need to get some office pin. Yes, here are my office pins. So you grab your gele and divide your gele into 45-55. After dividing, this is what your 45-55 should look like. This is the type of distance that your 45-55 inches should have. Okay, so I'll go ahead. Here is my middle. I'll take in like 1 inch. Just fold it. You fold in the 1 inch. Then make some plates, like 4 plates, 4 or 5 plates. Okay, so we have our 5 plates here. I'll go ahead and place it on my dummy because I don't want this to shift. I'll just secure it with my office pin. Then I'll go ahead and extend this. I'll extend this plate. I'll extend it to the back of the hair. After it's extending it to the back, this last plate, I'll make sure I'll bring it to the front like this. Then I'll secure it. I'll secure it well. After securing this side, I'll go ahead and secure the other side. And like I said earlier, the last plate, I'll bring it forward and secure it down. Okay, so after securing it, this is what we have. Can you see the side? I'll fold the back of the gele. I'll just fold it just bring it to the front so that we can have a clear back. Then we'll make a crisscross at the back. This is the shorter hand. The shorter hand is coming above, while the longer hand is going below. This is the shorter hand, while this is the longer hand. So this is coming up, while the shorter one is going down. So after crossing at the back, this is what we have at the back. I'll go ahead and return this and turn it down. Okay, next thing, I'll grab my shorter hand. I'll grab my shorter hand. I'll make like 3 pleats, 3 or 4 pleats, like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll extend the pleat. Then these 4 pleats I just made, I will lift it up. I will lift it up above. I will lift it on top of this last plate. So can you see? It is after the last plate that we started with. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I'll still go ahead and secure it with an office pin. I'll secure this new plate we just started. I'll secure it with an office pin. So we have our pleats. Then I'll trace it down to the other side. and trace the plate down. So this is me tracing it down. I'll go ahead and secure with pin again. Okay, so this is the end of the pleat we just made. Then I will grab this longer hand. Remember this longer hand at the back. I'll grab it and make like 3 to 4 pleats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 pleats now. I will extend it to 3 in a slanty way. It should not be straight on like while we are bringing this side. This time around it will be slanty on the head. No, like this. This is slant. It wasn't straight. This one is slant. So I'll go ahead and pin down just to secure it. Then I'll pleat out the 4. This time around, each pleat will be laying on each other. It will not be flat. It won't be an individual pleat anymore. So I will extend this pleat to the side. I will extend to the side like so, and pin it down at the end of, so it's secure. Then I will open it this way. I'll just open it. I'll look for the middle of the head like this. This is the middle. So I want this part of the gele to be neat. So from the middle, you look for this point and just fold. You fold in those excess. Go ahead and fold and fold. So when you get to the end, this is what we have. So we'll come back to this long hand. Remember we have 4 pleats. So I'll just secure the 4 pleats. Then from the length of the gele, like this, I'll gather from the middle. I also secure the half length, from the length. I'll secure from the half. Then go ahead and tie it. You can tie it the second time. Then I'll start my pleat. I'll start picking pleats to build the frame. So we pleat from one end to the other. Pleat from one end to the other. So to get the pleat, just lift some fabric and push forward. Lift and push forward. Lift and push. Lift and push. Lift and push. So when we pleat to the end of this side, then I'll go to the back and remove this knot that I tied the second time, and then I will arrange this pleat into that knot. So I'll put the excess in, then tie it the second time and secure it well. Okay, so we'll come back and adjust. I'll finish this side. Place is neat. I'll come back to this hand, this part, then I'll drag it in. The more I drag it in, the more this place is getting smaller. So I'll drag. So it's just to adjust and adjust until you are okay with what you have. So I hope you like it. You just need to adjust this. If you know this is useful to you, or you know someone that might be useful for, go ahead and share this link with that person so that they can learn and be empowered. So thank you for watching. See you next time on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button so that you'll be the first to know when next I post. Thank you. See ya.